Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in silver, looks great. You got that chrome accenting with the Chevrolet badging, as well as you got your lights right there and your fog lights down there. You do also have your tow hooks right there. Coming around the side here, we do have our Bridgestone brand tires with our 17-inch rims. Looks great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right up there, and coming all the way around to the back you got your box. Looks fantastic. You do have your Silverado and your LT badging, as well as your backup camera right there. You can open this guy up. It does fall down nice and slow, keeps things nice and safe. You got lots of room back here, as well. It does have the box liner, so nothing will get scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You also have your remote start, and you do have your panic button there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, some storage, and some more down here. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable. These are very nice. You do also have the controls over the seats here, so backward and forward, tilt, lumbar support. Up here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, the auto, the high and the low, as well as down here you do have your control of your lights. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights and low beams, as well as your fog lights and in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge and your engine temperature. You also have your battery and your oil up there. Now it does say how many kilometers we have, 35,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around a bit to your trip A and B, as well as your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, engine hours, transmission, your off-road, and then back to your speed. You also have your options over here for your audio, phone, navigation settings, and you can look through all of those as well. Over here you do have your cruise control options, horn, and that does control the guy in the middle, as well as you do have your Bluetooth options there. Gear shift is right here, just like that, and when you are in reverse you have that ever useful backup camera there, keeping you nice and safe. In the center we do have our touchscreen display, so it does have our AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM. You got all sorts of different guys in there. As well you have your Bluetooth options, and you do have your navigation right over there. Down here we do have the volume up and down, as well as the power, radio, media, your skips, your eject for your CD, your menu button, as well as your back button and your tuner and browser menu. Then you do have a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Your AC, your circulation, your power and where it's going to blow out of, as well as your defrost over here, the power there, and then you do have the other side there. You have your traction control, you have the button here to turn the light in the back, and your downhill assist, and then you do have some storage right there. As well, in the center you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You do have your aux cord, USB, and SD card slots there. You can lift this guy up. You got some storage just underneath there as well. And then you do have another little storage container just underneath there. And over here we do have our top and bottom layer for our glove boxes. Looks great. And up top you do have your lights, and you do also have a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have your handle, you have the control of your windows, handle here, some storage here, here, and here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. It does seat 3 people, so you do have 6 seats altogether. You got your cup holders with the armrest if you didn't have the person in the middle, and you can also fold these seats just up like that. If you did need the extra room, you can do the same with the other side. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.